how to remove iPhone camera lens protectors. So if you want to remove your iPhone camera lens protectors, then just watch this video. Protectors usually have adhesive underneath, so we'll need to loosen it up before carefully removing it without damaging the actual camera lens. You can use a tool, but as most of you won't be having a tool, you can start by carefully prying around the edges using your hand. Work your way around applying gentle pressure to lift the protector. Make sure to apply gentle pressure from both the sides. As you lift, you'll notice a small gap forming. Keep working at it until the protector fully detaches, and just like that, the lens protector is off. And that's the safest way to remove a camera lens protector from your iPhone without causing any damage. If it still feels stuck, then please don't rush. Taking your time with this process, ensure that you won't accidentally damage your camera. Once the protector is removed, you might notice some adhesive residue left behind. If that's the case, you can gently wipe it off using a microfiber cloth and a bit of alcohol to keep your lenses clean. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.